Hello everyone, welcome to my platform. Today I'm making a very short video just to explain how I work with Abaca silk. I find out that Abaca silk pulls a lot, that is from the edge. It's easily detaching and pulling thread, and you cannot work with it like that. Anyway, I don't know if you cannot. I cannot work with it like that, so I usually would take it to my sewing machine, get a matching thread of what I'm going to be working with, and then I'll just fold it, but when you are folding, you really need to pay good attention to your folding. That is, it has to really be like very tiny. Do you see it? Yeah, you see the edge. That's the finishing. Okay, so you can, if this is the color you are working with, then you can go ahead and iron and all of that. But if that is not the color you are working with, then you can maybe go and dye it or spray it. Actually, you can spray Abaca silk. You can spray it. Like, there are some colors that will not really come out when you dye, like silver. You can't get a silver dye, but you can spray a silver on your Abaca silk. You just need to spend time, spread it out and spray it, and when you are done, you form your bow or whatever you think you want to make with it. I really believe that this video will be of help to somebody that is looking forward to working with Abaca silk and you do not have idea of how to start. That is how you are supposed to handle this expensive material. This Abaca silk is expensive. It's even costlier than cinnamon. So yeah, it's expensive, so you really need to take care when you are working with it, and to get a good finishing, you need to sew it. So what else do I do when I'm working with Abaca silk that maybe some people don't do? I normally put fishing line on the edges when I'm folding. Well, not for all of them, but for some of them I will just put that fishing line on the edges, the thick, that is the strong fishing line. This will help to boost the Abaca silk, make it stand for your bow and spread out suspended. Well, this is just a tip, and I believe that this tip will work for anyone looking forward to trying it. So if you love what I just did, please subscribe to the channel, recommend it to other people, and follow us. We have membership classes. You can just check our membership classes, subscribe to one of them, and see how it goes. Thank you for stopping by Creative Ends International. I'll see you in my next video. Don't play. Bye.